Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Could you tell me everything in here and your name?
Hold on. I'm gonna ask my husband.
Your husband did it, okay.
He just redid everything, so I'm not sure.
Yeah, you're good. Very nice. And you got AC cool too?
Oh yeah.
What was that song? Reckless 26, okay. Do you know all the equipment or do I need to ask him? I'll ask him? Okay, I'll get him. I'll get with him in a second.
I didn't know it, but they switched everything out.
It's all good, I'll ask him in a second. Very nice. Can I see the amp? Here's the amp. On this side? Got it, I see it. Yep, 4 ZV5,
Yeah,
15s, 4 acres. Wow, very musical. Thank you for showing me. I do a lot of videos, so looks good. Yeah, so these are the ZV5 15s.
Oh, they are the 5s, alright.
Yeah, pretty sure they're the 5s. Either the 5 or the 6s.
I think they're the 6s. They were
You just upgraded them?
I think so, yeah.
The 6s then.
And then 6s.
Are these ZV6s or 5? ZV6? So ZV6. Okay, got it. Very nice. What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed that quick walk around we got of their system at the Slamfest Audio Show in Tampa, Florida area. Be sure to give them a like and comment. Really impressive to see them put a single 8,000 watt amplifier on each of these subs, and I'm going to assume they were dual 2s wired at 1 ohm per amp. And I didn't really get any of the information about the electrical side or what pretty much specs are of the box, but I could tell it was playing down into the mid-20s really well with that song you're going to hear. Driver port, and probably with the subwoofers way they are mounted, I'm sure they're doing at least a 160 dB with that driver port and all the pressure on me if they were to do a burp. Insane demo we're about to get to. His wife was the one that gave the demo, so be sure to give her a like and comment what you like about the system, and subscribe for daily videos and enjoy. Very nice.
the schoolhouse. I got that power like 50. Friends couldn't even make that. Friends couldn't even make that.
Thank you for the demo. Wow. Your roof doesn't move either. It's just really solid.
They did all kinds
You did a
of
good
stuff.
job. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.